Hello class, and welcome to the Library Research Guide the librarians have put together for your Art 104 research assignment this semester. As we go through this video, I'll take you through the several tabs that we have up here that explain how to best use this research guide. On our home page here, you'll see we break down the research process and kind of go through how to start your research, how to get a little bit more in depth, how to run through the various resources that are prescribed for your assignment, and then how to write your paper and effectively cite your sources. On the Understand Your Topic tab, the librarians have put together several links to databases that will give you generalized background information on your topic. This information is best used in your introduction and/or conclusion to kind of get you and your reader on the same page, to explain your topic, the main factors in your topic, the key players in your topic, etc. On the Find Books tab, the librarians have put together some subject terms that you can kind of copy and paste into the library catalog here. If any of these line up with the topic that you've chosen, this can be a more effective way than doing a keyword search in the catalog. More effective way of searching. It'll get you fewer results, but they'll be much more on point. You'll notice over here on the left-hand side, there's a video on how to effectively use the library catalog. And if we scroll down a little bit further, we've included some direct links to ebooks that are available in our catalog. Back up at the top, the Find Articles tab. There are several more databases that are listed here, but these databases will allow you to add in multiple key terms to vary or to narrow your search by date range, by type of resource, and various other specifiers. And these databases will allow you to go much more in depth on your topic. If we scroll down a little bit further, you'll find another video here. This one is for the database Art and Architecture Source, which is an EBSCOhost database. And then this video goes more in depth on how to search for scholarly articles in this database. So if you plan on using that, the video would be very helpful for you to get a start with. The Find Websites tab includes websites that the librarians have kind of pre-vetted for you. Most of them are from museums or nonprofit organizations. And they give you links to various artworks. The Works Cited tab here is an entirely separate research guide, and it goes over the various formats that you can use to cite your sources. Make sure you're using the correct one that your professor has required for this paper. We also have a tab on how to create an annotated bibliography, and then also tips on how to write your paper. These are links to ebooks on how to form an effective argument, critical thinking for students, how to make a thesis statement, things like that. So if you ever need any help actually with the mechanics of writing your paper, these can be some really good resources. But also I would recommend going to the tutoring center and setting up an appointment with a tutor, and they can kind of walk you through this process as well. You've noticed that we've had several videos kind of thrown in throughout all these different tabs, but if you click on the video tutorial tab itself, all of these videos are kind of compiled together, and there's a lot more than the few that were listed before. If you ever have any trouble logging in to the databases, there is a tab here that explains how to go through that process and what to do if you have trouble. You'll notice that on every tab that we've clicked on, there's been this Chat with a Librarian little tab on the side. The librarians are logged into chat whenever the library is open, and in the fall semester, that is 7:30 in the morning to 10 p.m. at night. And I would recommend, if you have any questions, either with this guide, how do you access the databases or the catalog, how do you find articles, or anything to do with the library campus in general. The librarians are always here to help. So if you have any questions, make sure you utilize this Chat with a Librarian feature. And if you happen to send us a question when the library is closed, we will answer you the very next business day. Okay? So I hope this helps with your research paper, and I hope to hear from a couple of you later on this semester. Good luck.